Welcome back to Must See Tech. This week we return to you with a review of remarkable campers with retro designs. We have got exotic RV restomods that deserve to be collector's pieces, and some all-new models that play the nostalgia card just right. So subscribe to the channel and stick around till the end. We roll! Retro RV. Available for rent across 29 locations in Australia, the Retro RV is a 1960s-70s VW Kombi van-based camper that was restored and modified by the company owner and automotive technician Phil Hocken. The Retro RV is a franchise business, and each of its campers has a host of unique features. The models do share the adorable retro design, 1976 or 1977 chassis, an overgrown rear cab, and new mechanics. The Retro RVs get Subaru-sourced engines and a 5-speed auto transmission, also from Subaru. Inside, the motorhomes are equipped for 2 people, a double bed in rear, fresh linens, and a kitchenette area with a gas stove, kettle, toaster, and utensils. Some campers pack a coffee maker, fridge, roof-mounted solar panels, and even a TV. There is also an outdoor camping set of table and chairs. The models get LED interior lighting, a deep cycle battery, USB sockets, and a sink, hooked up to 43-liter fresh and 43-liter gray water tanks. Each Retro RV offers its own exterior styling and gets fitted with an awning. Citroën Type Holidays. Citroën fans will immediately recognize the iconic exterior derived from the Type H panel vans, which were produced by the brands for nearly 5 decades, starting from 1947. Here are heavily ribbed gray body parts, a squared front end with an old-school grille, circular headlights, and steel wheels. The retro vibes, however, end immediately once you step inside, where the Holidays concept benefits from the practicality of a modern Spacetourer platform. The 2 rear seats fold down, creating a sleeping platform for 2, while additional sleeping accommodation is granted by a pop-up roof. In the center, there is a kitchenette with a fridge, sink, and a cooking area, as well as a folding table. The latter, coupled with front swiveling seats, creates a dinette for 4 people. Citroën added the second sliding door on the left side, allowing access to the kitchen from the outside. The rear seats can be removed completely for more interior space. The French have mentioned that the concept is equipped with Webasto heating, and the press release photos clearly demonstrate the presence of a basic electric package. But the rest of the specifics are yet unknown. Chevrolet K5 Blazer Cheyenne Chalet. Unlike many of the models from today's list, this Blazer was not converted into an RV in the recent years, but actually was originally released as a camper. Built for 1976 and 1977, it was a joint project of General Motors and Chinook Mobilodge, limited in production to less than 1,800 units if you also count in its GMC Jimmy Casa Grande sibling. The model has a fixed camper box, a pass-through between the cab and the cabin, and a pop-up roof, making it tall enough for people of 6 feet and 5 inches height. The Cheyenne Chalet also gets 2 bucket seats, 2 beds, and a dinette area for 4. The kitchen consists of a gas stove, a sink with a 5-gallon water tank, residential power outlets, and a sink. The interior keeps the original plaid upholstery, wood trim, and even an AC. Speaking about the mechanical side of the Cheyenne, we should mention its original 5.7-liter V8, 3-speed automatic gearbox, dual-range transfer case, and 15-inch rally wheels, fitted with front disc brakes and Toyo MT open country tires. If you want us to cover more restored classic campers, then make sure to smash the like button and ask for more in the comment section. We keep rolling. Alfa Romeo T10 Auto Tuto Campervan. This one-of-a-kind camper started its life as a 1955 minibus from Alfa Romeo with left-hand drive. It was labeled T10 Auto Tuto, meaning all-purpose. The model left the factory with an optional 1.2-liter supercharged twin-cylinder diesel rated at 30 horses, 4-wheel drive, and an independent suspension system. The model left the factory with an optional 1.2-liter supercharged twin-cylinder diesel rated at 30 horses, 4-wheel drive, and an independent suspension system. Originally, it went to Palermo, Sicily, then changed hands in 1963, and finally became a collectible piece with an original chassis and unchanged drivetrain. Recently, the auto Tuto was sold again, and the new owner decided to turn it into a vintage campervan. The minibus underwent a full restoration in Italy and was fitted with basic camper amenities. Inside you will find a bench that converts into a double bed for night sleep, a foldable table, and a mini kitchen complete with a gas stove and a sink featuring fresh and wastewater tanks. There is also a picnic set that includes a table, chairs, and a basket. We should mention that the Auto Tuto is auctioned off with a certificate of origin and all of the authentic performance parts are intact. VW ID Bus Camper by D-Van. In 2022, VW began production of the next-generation all-electric transporter released as a part of the ID family. At this point, though, they're yet to reveal a stock camper version named ID California. Those who are not ready to wait for a factory-made RV can now buy the bus-based camper conversion created by the UK company D-Van. The model starts as an ID Bus Cargo Commerce Plus, equipped with a 77 kWh battery. The latter is good for 208 miles, 30 minutes fast charging, and even 5 seconds 0 to 60 acceleration. Next comes the installation of a new pop-up roof and a swiveling mechanism for the front seats. The electrical system consists of a 3 kW Clayton inverter, a leisure battery of 160 amp-hour capacity, and a solar panel 130 to 165 watts in size. During the day, the cabin functions as a comfy dinette or a workspace. Plus, each bus campervan is supplied with kitchen appliances like an induction cooktop and a 20-liter Vitrifrigo fridge. At night, the rear section of the van is turned into a bed for 2 people, and 2 more can sleep under the pop-top roof. Ventor 2CV Electric Citroën Berlingo. Inspired by the classic Citroën 2CV for Gannett delivery van, the new mini RV from Ventor is based on the latest e-Berlingo platform with a 50 kWh LFP battery, which is good for 200 miles of range. To stay true to the character of its iconic forebearer, the van gets dressed in a new body kit from the Italian Castellani. It includes corrugated side panels and a similar hood, plus a set of round vintage headlights. This e-Berlingo tries on the Ventor's One package with a rear-focused layout. There is a convertible dining lounge bed and a slide-out indoor-outdoor kitchen area. The latter includes an inside induction cooktop, outside prep area with a secondary gas stove, sink, available refrigerator, and a fold-out indoor dining table. The pop-up roof increases the sleeping capacity to 4. Despite being packed with camper amenities, the van still offers enough space for 5 passengers. Additionally, the Ventor's modules can be easily removed to accommodate additional cargo or a third row of seats. The model is created in cooperation with the German dealer Caravan Grabner, who plans to sell the Ventor 2CV Electro in a limited edition run of 200 models. These will be a part of its retro camper series, manufactured under a license from Citroën. Ford F100 panel van. The factory-made truck campers from Ford began production in 1960s, so anyone willing to own a model based on the 1950s F100 will have to look for custom-modified units. Today we give you one such representative of the third-generation F-Series panel van that was converted by an engineer with a career at the Ford Motor Company. This RV swapped the original engine for a 4.7-liter V8 and an automatic C4 transmission. There is a new power steering, front disc brakes, and a rebuilt radiator. The interior might feel a bit cramped, but the donor pop-top roof from Volkswagen Westfalia establishes a comfortable headroom height. Besides a convertible sofa, the repurposed van space accommodates copper countertops, a compact fridge, a 2-burner cooker, and a sink with a 16-gallon freshwater supply. The setup ensures convenience on the go, plus with a window-mounted air conditioning unit, staying cool is a breeze. X-Bus Camper by Electric Brands. Initially introduced as an electric van, then reimagined as a pickup truck featuring an off-road-capable chassis, the latest version of the X-Bus was transformed into an RV equipped with a pop-top roof. This adaptable platform originates from the innovative minds at the German startup Electric Brands. Its power is derived from either 15 or 30 kWh batteries, which channel energy to fore and wheel motors, generating a continuous output of 20 horsepower or a peak output of 75. Despite the seemingly modest battery capacity, the manufacturer claims impressive ranges of 124 and 373 miles. The X-Bus RV will feature an expandable roof section to provide additional headroom, along with a rear slide-out mechanism, creating extra space to accommodate a two-person transformer couch. The company ensures that the cabin will house essential amenities such as a refrigerator, a cooking hob, a television, and a sink with a freshwater tank. These appliances will draw power from the EV's battery pack with a 3-module solar panel installed on the roof to mitigate range loss. Even though Electric Brands has filed for bankruptcy in 2024, the company claims to have a plan for restructuring and hopes to begin production as soon as the legal matters are settled, since they claim that thousands of pre-orders have already been submitted. What are your favorite retro RVs from today's episode? Ask for more retro content in the comments below and mention your favorite camper models from this episode. Make sure to check out the previous episodes about the classic-styled camping trailers through the links on the screen. Smash the like button and come back soon. Must See Tech will always have something exciting for you. See ya!